the colors match. Freaking awesome. What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget. In today's video, we have some accessories from UAG for the Samsung Galaxy S25. And without further ado, let's start with this OG right here. This beautiful case from UAG. This case has been around forever. This is their Pathfinder case. It has a built-in magnet for MagSafe capabilities. It's been drop tested at 18 feet, which is absolutely amazing, and it's made from recycled materials. This is designed for Samsung in particular. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give you a nice look at this Pathfinder case from UAG. Absolutely looking amazing. Let's grab the S25 here. Place this bad boy on here. Bam. Very nice. Good case. Let me clean the display because it's all nasty with my fingerprint. All right, very nice, good looking display. You do have a lip around the front edge there, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat on a flat surface. You're not going to mess up that display. It is tempered glass screen protector friendly because it does have a screen protector and works just amazing. On the back, look how beautiful this device looks. You do have protection there around the camera lens, so you're also protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to mess up the camera lenses. The buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive. Nothing on the left side of the device, but these added grips there. On the bottom, the ports are all nice and precise, and you can easily get the S Pen with ease. No issues there, and the cutouts on top are nice and precise. Very nice, good looking case from UAG, the Pathfinder case with built-in MagSafe compatibility. Looking amazing. Now let's take a look at these MagSafe accessories. First off, let's start with the Magnetic Wallet with stand. Very nice packaging from UAG as always, but this does have a ultra strong magnet. It doubles as a kickstand and has everyday storage for cards, bills, and it is waterproof, rated at IP54 protection, which is amazing. Let's go ahead and open this up and give you a nice look at this beautiful wallet. Nothing else is included in here. Now, for some reason, I thought it was going to be thicker, and it's not thicker, which is absolutely good. Look at that. Boom. You have a little strap here to hold your cards, and then you can put some bills or anything you want. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank cards there. Let's see if it can hold 5. You just kind of slip them in there like so, and it absolutely can hold 5 cards. You probably can hold one more, and if you want to throw some cash in there, let's see if we have some folded cash like so. A little tough, as you can see. That's a big folded wad there. Maybe if you put, let's say, your ID, a credit card, and some cash, most definitely can handle that with ease. No issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and remove these cards. So up to 5 cards with no issue, and then like 2 cards and some folded cash, it's going to work just fine. And this can go ahead and place it on the back of your phone. Very strong magnet. And the kickstand, boom, you can use it as that. You can use it like that to support your phone off the ground. As you can see, supports it very nice. You can watch videos in landscape or in portrait mode without ease. Different angles. It supports different angles, which is absolutely fantastic. Good, nice premium magnetic wallet for your device. Absolutely amazing. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our next accessory. This is a slim power bank with stand as well. MagSafe compatible, just like all their accessories. Comes with a built-in stand, ultra thin, and a Type-C cable included. The capacity of this battery is 5,000 milliamps, so sufficient enough to get you through one full charge. If your device has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, if it has any less, I'll get you a little bit more. But let's go ahead and take a look at this power bank here. And it's absolutely super thin, as you can see. Very nice. This has this nice rubbery texture here, and aluminum on the outside with the kickstand there, UAG branding there, power button right here with a LED indicator there, and a Type-C. I just saw a Type-C port there to charge the device. Now this is just going to attach like so, and it's going to wirelessly charge. Fast charging, by the way. It does say fast wireless charging. Let's go ahead and try that so you can see it again. Right there, fast wireless charging, 44%. Very nice. You can use the kickstand to just sit there and watch videos as you charge, and both landscape and portrait. Very nice, very pocketable. You can see the LED light here there on the bottom. Let me see if I can turn this back on. You see a green kind of charging. I don't know if you can see it, but very nice pocketable device. This thing can fit in a EDC bag very nicely. Like I said, it's going to give you a full charge depending on your device, and the wallet itself absolutely amazing, along with the Pathfinder case. All these accessories right here are going to work with any of their cases that support the MagSafe accessories, so these are just going to work just fine with any of those, which is absolutely fantastic. If you have any questions regarding these, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.